This is why you need chocolate cake in your life. It's quick, it's easy, and it's chocolate. Need I say more? First up, grab yourself a bowl and toss in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now, sprinkle in 1 cup of sugar because life's too short to skimp on sweetness, right? Next, half a cup of cocoa powder. The darker the better, folks. Add a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix it up. In another bowl, whisk together 1 cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a splash of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. Now pour those wet ingredients into the dry mix and stir until it's smoother than your last date. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and pop it in for about 30 minutes. While it bakes, you can dance around the kitchen. Or, clean up. Your call. And just like that, you've got yourself a moist, delicious chocolate cake. Enjoy, and don't forget to share, or not. See you next time, cake enthusiasts.